Her melodious, shaping voice soothed my heart. She blossomed in my garden of life. The fragrance of goodness spread all over whosoever came to our contact. Poet laureate Amar Priya Pasha garnished her to become a poet. He contributed to develop her skills. I remain always grateful to him. He transformed her to what she is today. She went to Venkatesh College and joined the photography club. One day, I came back home early from my work. I found my camera missing. I never allowed anyone to touch my Nikon camera. She returned home too late, scared to face me. When I was about to shout upon her, she innocently asked, Dad, I'm important. What the camera? I told her, it's only you, my love. My anger vanished. Thereafter, I never touched my camera. For me, she is the most important person in my life. My brother Rahul got her the first Canon from Dubai. Later, she graduated in photography also to become a child photographer. She is my life. I live for her. Without her, my journey of life would have been incomplete. I love her. I miss her. But she's always there in my heart.
How am I supposed to do a presentation after this? My God, this is too special. An introduction. Thank you. Thank you so much. I mean, this means a lot to me. But I also want to thank three people who've been behind this feature presentation and making me feel like a superstar. I thought I'll need security when I come in. Kirtana, Neha, Nishant, and of course the whole team who've been working hard, but these three people really made me feel very special. So it's tough for me to go on now because this is a very special message, but I will still start. I've been a photographer for 16 years now, and you know that I stole the camera, now my dad's taken out the secret. That's how I started photography. So I just want to tell you that as a trainer, I've been teaching, and these are my credentials. I don't want to waste time telling about it. I'll post it. But I've been a teacher. I've also been a guest faculty to colleges like IILM, and I've trained a full-time baby photographer in Mumbai, who's Jia Arora. She's doing very well in Mumbai now. I also have an online iPhone photography workshop. Before I start, I just want to ask you, does anybody know what this is? What is it? Kida. Be specific quickly because I just have 4 minutes, the bell will go on.
Grasshopper.
It's actually a firefly. We've never seen a firefly in the daytime. That's a firefly. So quickly, I'm very bad at reading and going on. I don't know why I've written it, but I'll still go on. I'm better at talking spontaneously. Photo Connect is what I wanted to launch for past 5 years. And the reason I wanted to launch is that we're totally getting disconnected with all our 5 senses. Our 5 senses are the most important thing we need to feel light in life. And the very foremost sense is also the visual sense. And by visual sense, I just don't mean that we just go and start seeing things. We need to practice seeing, because we've started seeing in our head, we feel in our head, we see in our head, we hear in our head, everything is happening in our head. We think that we are seeing, we think that we are hearing, we think that we are feeling, but everything is in our head. And I've been very blessed that the visual sense is something that I've been practicing for 18 years. And that's enabled me to see so much, something that's right next to me, people are so oblivious of, they just did not see it, and I just knock and say, did you see that? And they're like, no, I didn't. So I have lots of stories, good, bad, ugly, beautiful. I don't want to go into it because that's the program which I want to take to schools and corporates. So Photo Connect, I want to start training people to start seeing again. And once they start seeing, they will start moving towards feeling and listening. So this program is going to help a lot of schools and corporates. How come in schools? So today we get a homework, we go to our computers, we print, a butterfly is printed, a caterpillar is printed, civic sense, everything is printed. The child does not know how a sewage pipe smells when they talk about civic sense. They do not know how to collect something on the thing. So a photographer is the only person who's blessed, who gets excited just like a child does on small little things. We're so trained to see things that we start jumping, and all adults are on this thing that what's so crazy about this particular picture, that we are right there on the road and we are trying to shoot it. So I want to take this program to schools, where I want to start a library of cameras in school, where people from the library can hire the cameras and do the project. One project has to be done by each class by taking the cameras and going. It could also be talking about your grandparents. As a portrait photographer, we haven't realized that only when we are close to our loved ones, we know what they like, what they don't. And a photographer or a camera gets us very close to that. So as a child, what your grandmother likes, what they don't like, how do they smile when they see through the camera, they're very focused in seeing it. So I want to start this program for schools. Also, I've done teacher training program in DPS Gurgaon about 3 years back. Schools can't afford photographers again and again and again. But parents want to see what their children are doing in schools. So I started training teachers in school, because they can see so much more than one time hiring a photographer who might be expensive for the budget of the school. And the teachers can start making reports, and then, because I've worked with my dad as a printer, and I know that in schools that the annual magazines have horrible pictures because they're taken from mobile. So training the teachers to be able to take the pictures so that they can have a great history of their school is very important. So that's why teachers training program in schools. Corporates. This is something that I really want all of your help in, connecting to corporates. We get up in the morning, we leave, we think, come back, think, and just sleep. Unless we practice our visual sense, we will not be able to see that our loved one is going through something. We will not be able to see that there was a tree that was cut right in front of our house. We will not be able to see a lot of things. Even our colleagues. Sometimes our colleagues are going through something, and all we're doing is targets, just keep bombarding them with targets. That's a 4-minute bell. So corporates need this program, so that constantly, again and again, we can remind them that halt, see. We don't want parents to come up and say, my child committed suicide, I didn't know how. Everything was going okay. When a person is going through something, their body language changes. You can see the color of their face change. You can see the way they talk change. And this only happens if your visual sense is very active, and then going on to the hearing and everything. Of course, there are all 5 senses required, but my blessings have been with the visual sense. So that's the corporate thing. I'll move on to portrait photography for the next 4 minutes. Last time, I had shown you pictures of people you didn't know. Nobody knew anybody and probably thought who these people are I'm talking about. So I've done about 18 shoots now in Bangalore. So I'm just going to talk about the Bangalore shoots now. This is Indus Earlier Learning Center, where my son goes. They hired me to start doing their pictures for their school. Sorry, the quality of the light is not so good, but anyway. So these are some black and whites and pictures I did for that school. Then the superstars of Benchmark, right there. All of you are there in the pictures, but I just chose 3. That we started doing this presentation when we launched Benchmark. We took portraits of all the members, and that's how they were launched here. Vineet's office, I did a corporate shoot. He needed it for his website, he needed it for all his promotions and brochures. Manisha, Manisha was in our chapter earlier. I did a thing called Celebrating Uniqueness, where we combined photography and image consultancy together. And we did this thing, and I actually shot pictures of some people who participated. These are from there. Sachin's wife, Tanushree, right there. Nandini Vedanathan, she's a writer. She and, I'm forgetting her name, Zumba, sorry. I forget, she's a Zumba, she represents Zumba in India. So both of them are there for a show. I was hired to just do portraits for them. A writer again looking for her pictures, and she thought that nobody can shoot her smiling, and these are some pictures for that. Mohanji, a spiritual leader who I recently shot, and he wants to start connecting to the rock bands all over the world and take spirituality through rock bands. So now his picture, not like a spiritual leader, but connecting for his new book through rock stars. Our beautiful Neha. I did her profiling as well, and I just love this picture of her. So I just did a pregnancy shoot, second baby coming in with this. All these pictures of second babies. Expat community, they'd already done the older child's pictures earlier, and now the newborn baby. Again, second child. And so this is also a second child they've had, and they've had the pictures earlier abroad. And so fathers again coming in. And so Mara, she was leaving India, and she wanted some memories from India. So Mara and her family got a photo shoot done. This is Palm Meadows expat community right there. Very emotional mom. Both the kids together got into Rishi Valley. She flew from Mumbai just to get her pictures done in Bangalore because like she would not see them for very long, and she just wanted both the kids too early going. One is I think 9 and another one is 11. So this she flew specially from Mumbai. Rohini's daughter loved photographing her family. She was leaving for the US, and her son and her daughter. And one of my favorite pictures, her mother-in-law right there. A lot of tears shed in this shoot as well, with some songs and everything, but a lot of laughter. Done 8 minutes? Okay. Amy and Atukusa Kirtana. A lot of tears shed in this shoot as well. Thank you so much. And I just put my thank you slide, sorry. And do I only shoot black and white? No. But I love black and white, so I just keep saying.